How to make thumbnails with ChatGPT. Want eye-catching thumbnails without wasting time? Let's use ChatGPT to plan and create thumbnails step by step. So first, you need to define your thumbnail purpose. Start by telling ChatGPT what your video is about. So for example, my video is about Zoho Books tutorial. So I'll ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube thumbnail for a Zoho Books tutorial. Now you can ask ChatGPT for short, punchy text. It might suggest import items fast or easy Zoho guide. Use this as overlay text. ChatGPT can suggest layouts like bold text on the right, logo on the left, and bright colors for contrast. Take the text and layout ideas into Canva, Photoshop, or Figma. Add icons, screenshots, or branding elements. Ask ChatGPT to refine hooks, make them more urgent, playful, or minimal. Test different versions to see which gets more clicks. And that's how to make thumbnails using ChatGPT.